Okay, I guess I started. Okay, so uh, today we'll learn how to use Express.js, what is Express.js, and a simple CRUD operation in Express.js, and the connection also. But next day, next Saturday, I guess, we'll learn how to use MongoDB with Express.js. Okay, so let's start today's session. So, so this is the basic folder structure for Express.js. Okay, I'm just going to show you what is in it actually. So look, look from the basic. Okay, so this is a basic. This is the basic folder structure in our Express.js. There is a folder like src. Node modules can be installed by its own by using npm i. Okay, then git ignore file, I am just using it for using it to ignoring some modules like node modules. I'm not in updating, not pushing the node modules file in my github repository. Is somebody saying something?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Yesterday you have given the assignment.
yes, I'll go through. Your mic is, I guess, echo. Okay, let's just discuss about this folder structure first. Then afterward, we'll discuss about on the JavaScript assignment and all. Okay. So the main folder is there is src, and in the src file we have two folders. One is db, one is model, and one page. Let's just remove those all those page from here. Look, the folder structure is the most important thing in JavaScript, all the JavaScript libraries or framework. So if you have any doubt, you have to tell me. Okay. Meantime, so src is the main folder. In src folder, there will be two folder and one one page, one JS page where we will do coding. Okay. So what will happen in the database folder, DB folder? In DB folder, we'll find a page which is con.js. Look why what I'm doing here. I am just considering a this is what is this, you all know. This is the MongoDB localhost server 27017. Okay, and I am giving a database name with basic express. Let's change the name, and we are going to use our database what we have created yesterday, which is yes PCS MERN training. Okay, PCS maintain. I have created. I have model over there. Model means the schemas. Okay. So there is only one schema right now, which is student. Okay. Uh, Look, I'm giving a name. Const student schema equals to new mongoose.schema. What is mongoose? Mongoose is the framework of MongoDB. Okay. Which we'll use in our like expresses for code less for less coding. Okay. It will help us to connect database with the server, connect our website with the server actually. So first we have to require the mongoose from mongoose. This is the simplest syntax in every in every framework like Angular or React you use. You have to require the library which you want to use. In Angular you have to import it. Someone is please mute everyone. Okay, so every time when you use any library from node module, you have to just require this. In Angular you have to import it. Import uh, if it is like Angular or React, you have to write it like import mongoose from mongoose like this. But our React.js, our Express.js cannot support the ECMA script. Okay. So we have to use it like normal JavaScript. So you have to require it. Cost mongoose equals to require mongoose. Okay. And the library is important. Done. Then you have to consider a schema like name. Okay. What should be in our schema, which is namely student. Okay. In student schema we need 4 field. One is name. Let's give a type to our name. Type string, and one thing is most important, which is like required true. You can give it the unique true also, but I'm giving it required true, and type number, and then required true. Same with the email, and let's do email unique one. Okay. First we have to give the type string. Then we have to give required true, and then we have to give like unique true. Unique true. Now the last one is subject. Let it be simple. Okay, just add one validation, which is required true. Type string required true. Okay, but for this schema, we need like a validator. So we have to just call the validator first. Okay, const. Let's check how to import the validator. I already have this code, so I'll just check it from my previous code. What is the syntax to first? So I require validator from validator, but it will not work. Let's see why. Why? Node mon src In src folder, I have to start the server on app.js slash app.js. It will show another. Yes, obviously. See, cannot find module validator. So we have to import the validator. It is easy to import a module npmi validator. So now connection is successful, and I am giving the port number 3002. You can see where I have given this, and now just here about like concentrate here. In mongoose.model, I have exported this total model. Okay, I have exported this total model, namely as student, name as student. Okay, and what we are exporting, this schema, student schema. Okay, this is the syntax to export. In the index.js file, I just created student require dot slash student. You can find the in this folder, in this model folder, I have the I have this model student. So when you just have to do nothing, you have to just student require dot slash, you'll find all the models, and there is only one model student. This way I have done. Okay, now what I have to do, just check the connection page. What I have done in connection page, this is the mongoose. Okay, what I have to require the library, I have to do for requiring a library, then giving the MongoDB localhost port, and then the database name. Got it? And now mongoose.connect. This is same as like PHP or Java, what you have used. This is the connection page. Mongoose.connect. This URL, look, MongoDB, this URL, comma, and these four things I am discussing. What is this? Dot then if connected, okay, if connected, console.log connection successful, else catch error, cancel.log connection failed. Okay, and these four things are just to deprecate the warnings. Like I don't want to see any warning. Let's see what will happen if I just deprecation warning. Hey, look, deprecation warning. String parser is deprecated. Please use new URL parser too. Okay, let's use just new uncomment this. Look, same thing is going for use and unified topology true. Okay, unified topology true. Now let's try. It will also it will show the warnings. So to reduce this warning, to remove this warning, we are just using these four things. You will find it everywhere in Google. So this is the main connection page, model page. Now let's discuss about our main page. For this moment, just forget about this part and go forward. First, we have to use Express. So we have to install npm i express. Then we have to require this const express equals to require express. Got it? Then I am taking the mongoose. Whether this is not important to import it right now, because we are not going to use the mongoose today. Then we have to require the connection which we need. So require dot slash db slash connection. You don't need to do anything. You just have to give a slash db, and then you have to just take the connection page. The connection is successful. Now I just import student over there, but today we'll not go through the model, so we'll not discuss it. Now there is a variable which is called app. Otherwise I have to use everywhere express and this function. So just to reduce my code structure, my code lines. What is the problem? Someone is not muting self. Who is this? Okay, again, I got this. Okay, nice. I'll just leave the meeting. Okay. Now, by using the app, I have imported. I have taken the express function to the app, like app variable. Then const. I declare the port number which is showing over here 3002. Well, now app dot use express. Let's say we don't need this today. App dot use express dot JSON, because all the things will be on JSON format. All the data passing will be done on JSON format. Okay. Now we have 3 or 4 routes. One is our get route, post route, put route, delete, patch. So put and patch are used to use for update, get for getting values, post for posting something, and delete for delete. Okay. So now we just have to create a route. Okay. Just create simple slash express. Okay. This is the syntax to write app dot post route name. You can use the get route also, but I am using post route because I'll give the value in like body. Okay. Post route, then asynchronous function. I'm using the asynchronous function. Then there will be 2 parameters, request and response, request comma response. Then we'll start arrow function, and in the arrow function there will be a try block and a catch block. This is the simplest. Now I'm just going to take any value. Who is this? This is the last time I am just giving the warning. After that, I will leave the meeting. Okay.
Unmute sir.
Okay. So just give me 2 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm just coming. Hello, hello, everyone out there.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's just go for it. So this is a syntax. What I have already told you that you will you have to give the route name, then you have to declare the function as a synchronous function. Then the function contains two parameters. One is request, one is response. Then the arrow function. Then start this. Okay. Now after this, there will be two block, try block and catch block. Okay, in try block, let's just res dot status 200 is our good request, good request code. So res dot status 200 sent working.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in Express.js, asynchronous JavaScript try-catch methods all required, na?
Yes, you have to use the try catch method, and yes, no, this is not required, but for the code flexibility and time complexity, we have to use the async function. Okay,
Okay, yes, sir. Actually, I don't know try-catch method and those stuffs. Actually, I don't know, so that's why I'm asking.
there is nothing in try catch method. Okay, just write it by myself. Look, this is the simplest. This is the simplest, related. This is the simplest syntax to create a function. Then you have to use the try block. Use the try block. You will see a error. You have to mention a catch block. Then you have to give the parameter as error or what you want. Then have to just open it. This is the try catch block. Nothing is there. Okay. So if the code goes in the catch block, like if the code does not work properly, then let's say raise.status, our status code will be 400 for bad request dot send will send the error. What is the error? Okay. And in the try block, raise dot status dot send status code will be raise dot status will be our 200, and we have to send like something. But now just I have to hit the route on our postman. So what is our localhost port number? Our localhost port number is 3002. What we have mentioned here. Okay. This is our route post number. Okay. So localhost 3002. We don't need this, but it will appear by itself. Then we have to pass the route, pass the router. So our router name is simple/express. Just copy it and paste it. Okay. Now what is our route? Look, there is too many routes. So we are using the post route. You can see over here. I'm using the post route. Post app.post. Okay. So in post method, we need nothing in our body. Just send it. And it's happening. Okay. Working. So the code is working. Now we have to do some basic expression. We have three things. We have 3 or 4 things we can collect. One is request.body, request.params, request.query, and request.files. So first, we are taking the example as request.body. Const body response. Everybody know this syntax. This is the basic, like creating a variable syntax equals to request dot body dot the name we are giving, let's say response. And we just have to see this whether it's working or not. Body response. Now we need to pass a body. Okay, to pass a body, we just have to create a object. Then what we have to pass? This variable response. Control C this, copy this response. Let the response name. It is working properly. And after clicking this, I want this this keyword to paste over here. Check this work. Okay, we can console log this also. Just use console dot log. I want this variable to log, and we can see the log thing in the terminal. Okay, hit enter one more time. Look, it is working properly. Can you see? So this is the basic syntax for our express.js. Now we are just going to add two variables. Okay, so taking something in query. For query, we are going to use the get method. Then we are going to take let first is equals to request dot query dot fast. First is the key name what you will pass in the query. Let second request query dot second, and then we'll add this and paste the data. Then what we have to do? Let's take one more variable. Let sum is equals to parse int, because all the data will be come in string format, or can come in other format, but we have to just convert it into integer format. Then we have to use the sum operator, and then we'll send the sum. Okay, let's check whether it's working or not. Okay. First, just do it. Let's see what will happen. It will throw an error because we are not using the post route. We have to give it get route. Code error HTTP status code, because we are passing the body, not the query. So we have to pass the query. So the system to pass a query, you have to give a key name, which is first, and then the value as 2, second, value as 3. Then it will be, then it should work actually. Let's see what is the problem. Error HTTP invalid status code. Okay. Just use restore cell. Let's see. Let's see what is the problem. So it is taking the sum as our status code. So it will showing error. We just have to declare it in a object form. Just to send it as an object form. So I just use the object keyword, and in between I am passing the sum. Now let's see, the sum will be 2 and 3. The same thing we can do in body request dot body. To use the body, we have to use the post route request dot body dot second. Now the same thing, but in that case, we have to change the parameter first. Then we have to delete this, and we have to keep the body as first. The data user will input like 20, and then second 30. So I want the answer as 50. Sum is 50. Okay. So I guess there is no issue till now. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the message first. Then I'll unmute them. You can unmute yourself and ask question. No doubt, right? So if I give you any task, you can perform, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is Postman you are using?
Why Postman I am using? Yes. See, we have to use the Postman because when we want to hit any route, okay, check any router, whether it is working fine or not. Same thing happening again and again. Okay, I'm just going to quit the meeting. I'm calling Alok sir. Okay, and I don't know who is this. Can anyone tell me who is this? I just remove him.
So when someone is joining, so that sound is getting
Yes, someone is.
joining on the meeting, so that sound is getting.
Again and again joining and leaving. Why?
That's I don't know. Sir.
Okay. Let me just. Okay, so this is the warning for everyone. I just locked the meeting. So if anyone leave the meeting, they cannot join. Okay. Now just go for it. Yeah. What is your question? Why we are using Postman? To check that out. Like when you create a API, these all things are called API. Okay. You have to check it using Postman or using the front end. Though we don't have any front end now, so you have to use it. Use the Postman to check the route. That's why I am using Postman. Okay. Any question?
So you have created the files in VS Code. All the codes are you created, or they just get automatically built.
What kind of code? This status code.
The files are in VS Code, DB, SRC, and
Okay. This code I will share with you. Okay. But you guys told me that you don't use GitHub. So if anyone know how to pull repository from GitHub, please raise your hand or please tell me. Then I'll just share with her or him, and then he will give it to you. He or she will give it to you. Anyone know how to pull repository from GitHub?
Sir, I know.
You know, no? So what's his name? Okay. Abhinav Mandal, I will share the this repository link to you. Okay. You just have to pull.
Okay.
You have to pull the code, and you in the terminal you have to write npm I. Okay. So the
Okay.
required required libraries will be installed in node modules, and with node modules, and you can use it, and you have to give it to others. Okay.
Okay.
So this code is important. I already mentioned, because this is the main folder structure for our Express.js. And now let's just ask question one by one. So
So these all the folders created, these all are pulled from GitHub.
yes, Abhinav will
Yes.
yes, yes. Abhinav will pull the code and he will give it to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir,
yes.
sir, we have to install that. What installs? Installed I.
NPM I.
What will it do?
Yes.
What will it do if you do with this command?
You have to write it on your PowerShell, like on your terminal.
So,
This is
sir,
the command npm I. Okay. The required libraries, required directories will be downloaded.
these libraries are of Express.js.
Yes. All the libraries are for Express.js.
Sir, so can you guide us how to install?
Yes, I already told you. I already show you, like you have to just use npm I, and Abhinav will share the not the link, share the whole code in zip format. Okay, to you guys.
So, sir, we have to just
You have to just
import.
download the zip and extract it, and then you have to you have to open it using your VS Code. Then you have you just have to open the terminal and have to write this code in your terminal. npm I. Okay. This is the method. Got it?
Uh,
Okay. And all the code will be written in this page, app.js page. Got it?
yes, sir. This is the main.
Yes. So I'm just sharing this GitHub repository to all of you. Push the code first. This is the repository link. Okay. From here you can download. You can download the zip also from here.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you share me your phone number if I need?
Yes, sure. Sure.
Actually, I was not in the first class. I took admission after that.
Okay, okay.
Puneet said he will give. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the number.
You can like you can follow me on GitHub and also like ask question in GitHub also for repositories.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Now, any question for folder structure for anything? Ask me. So you don't have any question, I can ask. Okay. Tell
I can. May I ask after the watching the first video? Actually, I didn't understand properly these things. Actually, I was just following the JavaScript classes. Actually,
the
so
first
I
class
have to
was
go.
actually refreshment of JavaScript and the tools I need. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
yes. So tools like you have to just download the MongoDB. Okay.
Okay.
And then you can set the path variable. I can share a link to you, like how to download MongoDB in your system and how to set the
Yeah.
path. Okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
just
share.
ping me on my number or on
Okay.
GitHub, where you want to ping. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Now, I guess it was Anirban. Now he is calling me. So any question from your side, or I can start asking.
This is Express.js.
Yes, you can ask question in Express.js. Okay, so they are not here, like Karan. Karan is here. Then Kushal and all, they were attentive actually. Next, previous day. Okay, no issue. Let's start asking.
Sir, is this your WhatsApp number? I can. May I
Yes,
ping
you
that?
can- yes, you can.
Okay. Okay, sir. I will ping.
Now, the thing I want to ask by the name I am calling and will ask. So, Karan, are you there? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes. So my question is, can you tell me what is this line mean? This line number 9.
Constant variable and it is calling express function.
Calling express.
It is assigning express that.
Look, this is a variable
Hmm.
and we are storing a function which is express function in this variable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next question I am going to ask with Arpon. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 second, Arpon.
Sir, I have given the zip file in the group.
হ্যাঁ তুমি কি?
স্যার আমি অভিনব স্যার।
Yes, Abhinav, what is your question?
No sir, I have just given the zip file. I told that
Okay,
in the group
on
that I
group,
have
right?
shared. Yeah, in the group I have shared that.
Okay, great. Okay, so now Arpan, your question is like why I given the port number 3002 here. Is there any reason?
So it is a local host, I think. In this
So-
port number, it will just connect with the MongoDB.
Yes, no, not connect with MongoDB, connect with Express.js. Okay, for our Java, we can give the port number in our like properties file, like pom.xml.
Yeah.
Yes,
pom.xml, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. I know that. Sir.
But here we just give this port number, port 3002 or 8080, what you want to give. Okay, then you can use the port.
Can we change the port if we want?
Yes. You can use any port number like 38001. But remember one thing, the port must not used by another repositories. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And this thing is look, this thing is consoling over here, listening to port number 3002. Got it? App.listen port, then a function. If it's working, then it will show like listening to port number 3002. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now next question. Let's say Megha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me what is the meaning of this line app.use express.json.
I think, sir, we are using the Express JSON file.
Look, Express is the file, I got it, but JSON is a format. At first, when we don't have like JSON, we have to send data in Ajax format. You know what is Ajax?
Yes, sir, we have learned in DevOps.
Okay.
Asynchronous JavaScript.
Yes, asynchronous JavaScript. Ajax is a format to pass values to our backend, in a format. But after that, JSON invented, and we are going to like JSON. Developers are going to like JSON, and now all the like data passing are used to do in JSON format. Okay, and the format of JSON is like this: just a object, create an object, give the key and the value, and it will work.
Key value pair, sir.
Yes, key value pair. So this line means you have the express function which will use express.json format. Again and again. Hello?
Yes, sir.
এখন হবে না, পসিবল না, না আর পসিবল না, আর পসিবল রাখো। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, রাখো। Okay, now next one, Abhinava, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me why we have to use this function, app dot
Sir,
post.
yeah.
What is the meaning of app dot post?
I don't understand.
Okay.
So is the posting?
Yes, not posting actually. Look, there is 4 or 5 methods. Okay. To like use any route. So one is get method. You all know what is get method.
Hmm.
One is post method.
Hmm.
You also use it on your Java also because there is a mapping like post mapping, get mapping. This is the this is the post route. So I have to use the express dot post. Okay. Then I have to give the route name. The route name as like anything I want to give like uh, add student, delete student, create student. Okay. Then I start the asynchronous function, and this function contains 2 parameters. One is request, one is response. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the syntax. Now I have two blocks. I am asking the last one. This is Devendra, I guess. He was attentive on the first class. Are you there, Devendra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me. So tell me the reason why I am using try and catch block over here.
Try and catch using a exception handling.
For exception handling, right? For exception handling. So what we will do in our try block and what we will do in our catch block.
Here,
Tell me.
here if any function perform, then is to then write here try block, and if our function any error, so
Throw an error.
write catch function provide this error.
Okay, got it. All right. Now on the next page. What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line? Let's say who cannot answer till now. Achha, Kushal is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what is the meaning of this syntax?
Sir, Mongoose is the framework,
Yes, Mongoose is the framework.
and we can connect this framework actually,
Yes, connect.
and run this run in the local host.
What is this MongoDB variable called?
MongoDB variable called.
Yes. What is means what is contains in this MongoDB variable?
So MongoDB variable contains the whole local host actually जो URL है ना वो contain करता है.
Yes, the total like the database name.
हाँ,
Okay.
yes,
Is the
correct.
database name. Mongoose dot connect to the database. If
Yes,
connected, then console.log connection successful. Else
otherwise
console.log connection failed. Okay.
yes, sir.
And why we are using these 4 lines? These 4 lines.
Sir, because this library, Mongoose library, it is a library, sir.
Yes.
So this mongoose library has this uh, what for what is this use create index? These all are newly updated one. So to avoid that duplicated
বাংলায় বলো,
messages.
বাংলায় বলো ভাই, বাংলায় বলো, বুঝতে পারবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
Sir, I am not from Bengal.
ওকে, হিন্দি।
हाँ, तो सर वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो डिप्रिकेशन से बच वाला
यस, डेप्रिकेशन वाला वार्निंग जो होता है ना,
हाँ
यहाँ
उससे
पर
हटने के लिए।
ये सब चीज एक्चुअली डेप्रिकेटेड हो चुका है ऑलरेडी।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो ये सब चीज से मतलब डेप्रिकेशन से बचने के लिए हम लोगों को
हमको
ये
ये
4 चीज यूज करना होता है।
क्या है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे सर?
इसको
वेरिएबल ही
टोपोलॉजी
बोलेंगे।
बोल सकते हो, टोपोलॉजी बोल सकते हो, यूजर यूज क्रिएट। तुम ये लिख सकते हो गूगल में सर्च करने के लिए, ये लिख सकते हो कि हाउ टू कनेक्ट MongoDB with no deprecation warning. Okay, so you will find these 4 lines. समझे?
हाँ हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत।
हेलो,
यस सर।
ओके।
सर एक चीज और पूछना था, जो आप रिपोजिटरी दिए थे
हाँ
गिटहब का, उसको यूएस कोड से तो डायरेक्ट हम लोग उसको क्लोन कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, क्लोन तो कर सकते हो, वही तो बोले हम। अगर क्लोन कर सकते हो तो डायरेक्टली क्लोन कर लो, नहीं तो
हाँ,
डाउनलोड कर लो, क्योंकि वो
ठीक।
पब्लिक रिपोजिटरी है।
हाँ, तो सर थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दीजिए ना, क्लोन वाला हमको ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा इसमें।
क्लोन करने के लिए तो वो git क्लोन ओरिजिन लेके, क्या बोले, ये वाला लिंक, तुमको जो लिंक हम दिए वो लिंक को तुमको पेस्ट करना है, इतना ही तो है। और एक काम तुम कर सकते हो ना, उसको अगर क्लोन नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो उसमें
हाँ।
जाके जिप फाइल डाउनलोड कर लो सीधा, फिर उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लो, फिर भी काम करेगा।
सर पहले वाला जो मेथड बताए थे ना, वो टर्मिनल में हमको कमांड लिख के अगर हम उसका आपका गिटहब का जो यूआरएल दे देंगे तो मेरा क्लोन हो जाएगा
हाँ, गिट क्लोन
टर्मिनल।
करके, गिट क्लोन ओरिजिन करके तुम अगर रिपोजिटरी का मतलब एड्रेस दे दो, उससे भी क्लोन हो सकता है। तुम देख लो ना गिट क्लोन कैसे करता है। इसमें जाओ, गिट क्लोन सिंटैक्स, INCM। look, this is the git clone -b। okay, मेरा ब्रांच है मेन। ओके, git clone -b मेन देन रिपोजिटरी का जो एड्रेस था वो, इससे भी क्लोन कर सकते हो। Now the next question is from the model।
हो गया।
हो गया?
हाँ
हाँ, now just use npm i। okay, in the टर्मिनल में npm i हिट करो, और जो जो मतलब नीडेड डायरेक्टरी है और सब कुछ तुमको मिल जाएगा।
आ गया सर, नोड मॉड्यूल्स आ गया। नोड मॉड्यूल्स में फिर
यस,
आपका है गिटहब का वर्कफ्लोज डिपेंडेंट
शायद नोड मॉड्यूल्स तुमको ना मिले, नोड मॉड्यूल शायद तुमको ना मिले, क्योंकि इसमें हम गिट इग्नोर करके रखे नोड मॉड्यूल्स।
नोड मॉड्यूल्स को हम एक बार देख रहे थे कि उसको अगर हम लोग बहुत बार क्या है, ये तो डिपेंडेंसी बोल सकते हैं, लाइब्रेरी बोल सकते हैं, जो हम लोग यूज नहीं होता है।
हाँ हाँ, देखो नोड मॉड्यूल्स क्या बोले, नोड मॉड्यूल्स इज द I already told you in the first class that node is the node gives us a like platform to use yes, platform to use their libraries and frameworks। तो node modules वही है कि हर एक चीज को यूज करने के लिए हमको एक लाइब्रेरी चाहिए होगा, ठीक है। तो देखो, हम तो बस इंस्टॉल किए इसमें mongoose और validated। without this there is too many libraries and this is on use।
हाँ
yes, tell me।
यस सर।
just npm i, just hit npm i, by this you will get your node modules libraries। okay,
ओके सर।
now tell me the meaning of this line, anyone। module.exports equals to mongoose.model student schema। Tell me. Who can tell?
तो ये जो
Meera or
मॉड्यूल से एक्सपोर्ट करता है दूसरे
क्या 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 फिर से बोलो.
स्टूडेंट का स्कीमा जो आप बनाए सर उसको एक्सपोर्ट करता है
हाँ
मोंगोडीबी का डेटा।
हाँ, तो इसको इसको एक्सपोर्ट करने का हमारा कारण क्या है, मतलब रीजन क्या क्या है, इसको एक्सपोर्ट करके हम करेंगे क्या, ये बताओ तो.
डेटाबेस से कनेक्ट करने में वापस
हाँ,
से
इस वाला जो क्या है, इस वाला क्या बोले इसको, इस वाला जो मॉडल है ना, इससे हमको नेक्स्ट डे कनेक्ट करना है कि हम यहाँ से कुछ इनपुट दे और हमारा डेटाबेस में एंट्री हो जाए, ठीक है. दैट्स वाई इसको हमको एक्सपोर्ट करना होता है. और एक्सपोर्ट करने के बाद हम क्या किए, इसको इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस में स्टूडेंट करके एक वो बनाए हम. ये वाला स्टूडेंट देखो, इसको हम लिए यहाँ से, लेके इसको रिक्वायर कर दिए, इस वाला फाइल, ये वाला फाइल रिक्वायर कर दिए. तो यहाँ से क्या हमको स्टूडेंट मिल गया. अब जाके हम ऐप डॉट जेएस में हम सिर्फ मॉडल्स को रिक्वायर करके, क्योंकि मॉडल्स का पेज जो है उसमें इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस पेज हमारा मिलेगा, ठीक है. वहां जाके और सीधा वो क्या बोले स्टूडेंट को ले सकता है. जैसे हम यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को लिए, ऐसे हम काम करेंगे इसके ऊपर नेक्स्ट डे से, ठीक है. तो
Yes, sir.
यही रीजन होता है. हाँ, तो and now just come to the previous days like assignment who have done it.
Sir, can I share my screen? Actually, I have some problem.
Okay, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
I have done it, sir.
Okay, I'm just going to see your code after this. ऐसे नहीं
Sir,
होएगा.
actually,
अरे, हाँ, लिख.
when I click on the submit button, it is not working, and
It will
none
not
of the.
work. It should
हाँ
not work. तो जा इस पे जा, कोड में जा. Go to the code.
हाँ हाँ.
Here is the show button.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here is the button. This submit one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Document dot get element by ID, my ID. Where is my ID?
Here, sir.
तो तीन चीज का एक ही आईडी दे के रखा है. बटन का भी आईडी माई आईडी दे के रखा है. कैसे काम
हाँ
करेगा
हाँ.
रे?
अच्छा हाँ.
ये सब कुछ चेंज कर पहले और सुन, ऐसे नहीं होगा. जब तू क्या बोले डॉक्यूमेंट और गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी करके माई आईडी ले लिए, ठीक है.
हाँ.
उसके बाद तेरे को पहले जो करना है, पहले पैराग्राफ बनाना है, जो पहले दिन किए थे ना, भूल गया क्या?
हाँ.
हाँ, वैसे पैराग्राफ बनाना है. उस पैराग्राफ के अंदर तो तेरे को क्या पैराग्राफ का आईडी लेके, डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी करके पैराग्राफ का आईडी लेके, फिर उसमें डॉट इनर एचटीएमएल करके ये वाला डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट गेट एलिमेंट बाय माई आईडी जो लिए है उसका वैल्यू तेरे को सेट करना है. समझ गए?
अच्छा.
हाँ, फिर जाके एक बटन रखेगा चेंज कलर करके. जब वो क्लिक करेगा तो पैराग्राफ में जो जो लिखा होएगा उसका कलर चेंज होगा, ठीक है.
ये सही है.
हाँ,
ये जो फॉर्मेट मैंने लिखा है, ये क्या सही है?
नहीं, हर एक क्या बोले, हर एक इनपुट फील्ड के बाद कलर लिखा हुआ है, वो नहीं चाहिए हमको. सिर्फ एक ही बटन
अच्छा
होएगा जिससे तीनों चीज
अच्छा
का
अच्छा
कलर
अच्छा
चेंज होएगा, ठीक है.
अच्छा. हाँ. तो अलग अलग बनाया हुआ है. अच्छा.
नहीं चाहिए, अलग नहीं
ठीक
चाहिए.
है सर, ठीक है.
दो ही बटन होगा पूरा. एक होएगा तेरा
अच्छा.
वो सबमिट के लिए,
हाँ
जिसमें तेरा पूरा फॉर्म का जो वैल्यू है वो पैराग्राफ टैग में आ जाएगा. और
हाँ
सेकेंड वन होएगा तेरा चेंज कलर के लिए. चेंज कलर में क्लिक करेगा तो तीनों का कलर, मतलब 3 4 जितना तेरा इनपुट फील्ड है
हाँ.
और उसका जो पैराग्राफ टैग में जो तुम वैल्यू लिए हो सबका
हाँ.
कलर चेंज होगा, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
ठीक.
चल ठीक है. स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑफ कर.
हाँ.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट कौन बोला कि किसका हो गया?
আমার হয়েছে sir.
हाँ,
I done this.
ओके. शेयर योर स्क्रीन. यस, एक आया, हाँ ठीक है, 2 ही आया। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, यही चाहिए था। देख ऐसा ऐसा होएगा आउटपुट, ठीक है, सबको बोल रहे हैं हम। और कोई ट्राई किए?
हाँ सर मैंने किया।
ट्राई किए लेकिन
हाँ दिखाओ, क्या दिक्कत है आउटपुट?
दिक्कत नहीं है सर, वो है।
अच्छा दिखाओ। अरे अरे अरे, हाँ ठीक है, सही है, सही है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट। और कौन है रे? और कोई नहीं
मैंने
किया ट्राई?
किया पर
हाँ
ये
दिखा,
ट्राई कर
हाँ दिखाओ दिखाओ, दिखाइए क्या है।
मोबाइल में यूज कर रही क्लास में।
तो मोबाइल में यूज करके कैसे कैसे कर लिया है?
मतलब लैपटॉप में बनाए थे लेकिन मोबाइल में भी यूज क्लास
तो
कर।
लैपटॉप से मतलब मोबाइल से ज्वाइन क्यों किए? अच्छा ठीक है, छोड़ो। और कोई जो
मतलब
लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन किया हुआ है अभी? ठीक है, चलो, जो जो नहीं कर पाया उसके लिए हम कर देते हैं एक बार। ठीक है। Okay, so this is by form. Let's check. So it's coming. I want after clicking this button to change the color of this. Okay, let's do it. From control, let's give it as don't give any class name. Now it will show like this, I guess. Yes. Just have to call the button this function change color. Now just have to take this 3. I took this 3 paragraph tag. Now I have to set the attribute of the paragraph tag. Dot set attribute class text. That's a danger. Same with the now let's check whether it's working or not. It's working. Okay. Did everyone understand or any problems?
Sir, may I show my screen? I have some problem in JavaScript.
Okay, show me.
Sir, sometimes it's not coming the result. Let x is equal to 5, then increment, and I'm just opening in live server.
And what you have done then? X equals to y.
Yeah.
Then what? No, y.
Yeah.
Why it should work? Where is y? Where is the y value? Look what you
Yeah.
have done here. Okay.
Okay.
See what you have done here. You take a variable x.
Yeah.
You do x plus plus. It becomes 6.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you are putting on 6 equals to y. So where is the
Yeah.
y? This is not mathematics that you can do it like simultaneously. You have to put the y equals to x. You can do the y equals to x, or you can do like document dot get element by id demo dot inner html equals to x, and you have to remove the x equals to y. Remove the
Yeah.
x equals to y line. Yes. Now do it. Okay. Wait. Dot inner html equals to x.
Yeah, it should be x.
On yes. Save it. Now run.
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay. It's
And
working.
I have another problem here. Actually, is in this function. What is problem? I don't know. This is P1 and P2.
Yes.
And return P1 into P2, and
Okay.
it's not coming. Is it right?
Function multiply P1 dot P2, comma P2, return P1 into P2. That's all right. Wait. Document dot get element by ID, demo. Okay, got it. Which function you are calling? You have to call a function for this, no? You are not
Yeah,
calling
I'm
a function,
just-
then okay, let's see what is the output. Just try.
Okay.
Not this one, not this one. Open that file. This is not that file. Yes, function.html, function1.html. Yeah, okay. Go there. Show me what is the issue. This example calls a function which performs a calculation and returns the result.
Yeah, not
Okay.
result is not.
Okay. Go
Yeah.
to the code. Result will not show. Result will
Yeah,
not
yeah.
show because document.get element by ID you do it and dot inner HTML. Just remove the line number 14 or comment it out. Line number 14.
Yeah.
And okay, now try this. Yes, open on 5500. It will automatically work.
It's not
It's
coming.
not working. Control A. Right, Control A. Control Shift I.
Control A.
Control Shift I.
Shift I. Control Shift I.
Open the console actually.
Yeah. Inspect, I think.
Inspect. The system to call inspect is console. Go to the console and refresh the page.
Refresh. How to refresh?
Okay, got
Okay.
it. No issue. Go to the code. P2 is not
Yeah.
defined.
Sir, P2 in capital within
Oh,
acha, acha.
multiply.
Okay,
That's
okay.
why
I got
this
it.
showing.
now 7 members.
Yeah. Yeah, coming.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Now just uncomment the line you entered.
Yeah.
Save it.
75 is the.
Yes. Why? Tell me why.
Actually, it's multiplied 4 into 3.
4 into 3.
12.
Okay.
Yeah. And
What is the multiplication?
second one
Second one because JavaScript go top to bottom approach. Okay. So first
Okay.
we see the function multiply this function.
Yeah.
Then you are using this function. First 4 into 3. They are putting the value 4 into 3 first. Then afterward, you just replacing the value from 4 into 3 to 25 into 3 to the same.
Okay.
Got it. So it's working.
Yeah, got it. Sir. Got
And
it.
JavaScript is case sensitive. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Any question?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, before learning the Express.js or Node.js, the concept of DOM is very much strong, na? Required.
JavaScript must not be strong, but you need to know the JavaScript syntax at least. Because when I was learning the React or Express.js before 1 or 2 years, I guess it's since 2 years. So I don't know JavaScript too much. Okay. I am also Java candidate. I am specialist for Java, Spring Boot. Then I started learning JavaScript. And you do not need to learn all things about JavaScript, but you need to know the syntax actually, because syntax is important. And JavaScript syntax is a little bit easier than others to remember. Yes. So, any question? Next. If you have any doubt, then you can ask, or then I'll just end the session for today.
I have one simple basic question.
Okay, ask.
Localhost setup for HTML.
Localhost setup for HTML.
Yes, I don't have that.
Okay, just share your screen. Yes. Just go to the extension on the left side, left hand side. You can find the extension. Last one. Download live server. Search for live server. Install.
Sir, what will be the next topic, next class?
Yes, I'm going to tell you. Now see in the bottom bar, in the footer, there is a go live option
Where's the
in the orange section, the bottom menu section, right side.
yes.
Right, yes. Click go live. Allow private networks such as my home work or okay. So your server port is running.
This is will not no.
Okay, localhost 5500. No, colon 5500. And what is your page name?
Assign
Okay, assign.
slash assign.
Slash assign. Go to the go to the document section. Let me see. On the document. Go to no, not like this. Go to your browser.
Yes.
Document.
Yes.
Just wait. Assign.html, sorry. Assign.html. Now hit enter.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You shown me na already.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the next topic will be our most important topic. This is actually it will be connection with MongoDB and Express.js, and we'll perform a CRUD operation in our database using Node.js. Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sleep.
Thank you, sir.